This video is going to explain how you will navigate ALEKS once you've completed the initial knowledge check. So in this example here I've already done my initial knowledge check, and it shows that I've completed or mastered 29 topics already. So you see a little bit of color on several of those 6 pie slices. The 6 pie slices correspond to the 6 units that we are going to cover in this course. Quadratic equations right here is just labeled equations and inequalities. I wish it said quadratic in there, but the rest of them have the name of the unit that we cover. Graphs and functions, I think we just label it functions. So when you get done with your knowledge check, it's going to show this button on the left here, Start My Path. Anytime you get in after that, it should say Continue My Path. So you can go ahead and click that. But what I really want to show you is this upper left-hand button with the 3 horizontal lines. Clicking that is basically your navigation tool. If you click that, Home takes you back to the screen we were just at. But the Learn button is going to be where you do your homework, where you work on your objectives. And the Assignments button will show you both the objectives, but also this will be where you get to your tests. So let me click each piece. The homework is the Learn button, and it's going to bring you the next topic you're ready to learn. So I can just start working away, and I can use the features available to me, such as the textbook. And when I click that, it'll show me, okay, you're going to need section 3.3 of the text, and I can click this PDF link here to go to chapter 3 and scroll down to find section 3.3, Transformations of Functions, which is going to help me on this topic here. This caret here is kind of interesting because you see that we're on Unit 1 Functions, and they show me some of the objectives. So if I'm stuck on this particular objective that's highlighted, I can just click to the right, and perhaps this is an objective that I can work and leave this first one for another time when I can talk to my instructor or have more time to read the text. So you can also skip through, but some of them will have a lock button on them. That means you're not quite ready to learn that topic just yet. So you'll just want to work through your topics. So I wanted to show you that. Let me go back to the Learn. So this is your homework, and you just progress through. It'll keep bringing up topics. Once you work a problem correctly, it'll bring up the next problem. If we go to Assignments, you may not see the test right away. This is just showing me Unit 1 because the other units are in the future. So it's showing me Unit 1, my start and end dates, how much I've done so far. And if I click Upcoming, that's where you're going to see the practice exam, which is optional, or the Unit 1 exam. And again, clicking that upper left-hand button will take you back to be able to do the homework or to review the assignments. One thing I also wanted to show you, when you are working on an assignment, when you're working on a problem, you also have instructor resources. And by clicking this, there will be a lot of videos and supplemental material that you can pull up to help you with the topic that you're working on. So I hope this little tutorial has helped.